the best thing to do is just put a lot. Come on, I've been doing it 30 minutes and I'm already dirty. And I think you're supposed to wear gloves. I don't have any. Oops. This truck is such a disaster. Let's cut this bad boy. I honestly think I've become a professional. Wear a mask if you're gonna use it. Oh shit. You know, and the glob right there. Exciting, my mattress will be here tomorrow. I haven't enough room. Oh no. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a little bit of a different video, but some of you guys have noticed in my TikTok videos that I got a new van. Yeah, I did, and I'm gonna convert it into like a little mini home. I'm not gonna go with like the kitchen, and I probably will, but it's for the animals because I transport animals. But what I noticed in this is it gets really, really hot back here or really, really cold. So I gotta insulate the whole thing, put up a roof, put up some walls, flooring down. I'm gonna keep it all really bright because I want it to look bigger, not as small. This isn't the one that you can stand up in, but I'm small, so I only have to crunch just a little bit. I already, if you can see right here, I have already put a fan in. So I'm so sorry I didn't record that, but I do gotta go up there and I do have to caulk it just a little bit more because I did realize that there was a little bit of a leak. My mom's worried because she's like, oh my God, please don't do this. Because whenever I start projects, I have such a great vision and then they turn into complete shit. So today's video is going to teach you how to get a rig things at a very low cost, because that's what I do. Actually, they should be low cost, but I wind up spending unnecessary money because I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, so let's get everything out. First, I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna caulk this first. All right, let's get up here. Oh, it's wet. Okay, it's very dirty up here, but I gotta clean this all off. But this is the roof vent that I put up. And as you can tell, there's like little spaces, and this is where it is leaking from. So I gotta get some alcohol, clean this all up so that I can caulk some more. I'm just gonna, dump some alcohol all the way around. So we gotta make sure it's clean. My ADHD is gonna kick in. I know it, and I'm gonna start cleaning my entire roof. But I need to focus so I can get things done, because that's what happens. Projects turn into like 50,000 projects. Holy crap with the gaps, Felicia. I'm trying to think. This is what I used before, lap sealant. I have a little bit left, so I'm gonna use this on the big gaps, and then, liquid nail, why not? Probably not supposed to use this one because it wasn't recommended, but it sounds good, like liquid nail. So that's what I want to use. I really hope this isn't all dried out. Okay. Bam. See, when I did this the first time, I didn't have this little gun thing. Just the best thing to do is just put a lot. I'm gonna just do it around the little screws. What if those are leaking, How I'm supposed to take this off? It's not supposed to come off. Don't want you guys to take any of this information that I'm giving you guys and then try this at home. Next, I gotta get everything out of the truck. Come on, I've been doing it 30 minutes and I'm already dirty. I think you're supposed to wear gloves. This is insulation. And I think you're supposed to wear gloves. I don't have any. And a mask, possibly. I know for that big bag back there, I'm going to use on the wall as you're supposed to do. But, oops. Just realized my washing machine is going in the background because my washing machine's in my garage. Is that so annoying? This truck is such a disaster. Literally throwing everything everywhere, and I'm trying really hard not to hit Willie's Corvette because he would literally die. He would die. If you're asking why is Willie not out here helping me, I hate help. Too many people like to do things the right way, and it frustrates me because I'm like, I just want to get done and over with. He was already like, baby, do you need help? Do you need help? I'll come out and help, but we already know that it's going to turn into a fight. We don't really fight unless we do projects. I'm one of those people that is like, I want all the props for it. Is that so bad? I want all the props. And if he helps me, then I have to give him props for helping me. I want to do it by myself. Is anybody else like this? Comment below if you guys are like that. I use these to make my like bed platform. My handy dandy, I usually just use this to like do my hair and jump the car if I need it. So most people spray this stuff and it's supposed to prevent from rust like all over the bottom. You can spray paint it or you can paint it. I use this in my enclosures to spray the wires so they don't rust. There's no more left. So am I gonna stop what I'm doing and go and get more? No, we're gonna skip that part. Even a little. We can do a spot, like look, big spot. Psych, 90% bleach because I'm weird. Surely this doesn't help with rust. I have lots of animals in my car. I want to make sure that it's nice and bleached. There used to be like a cage behind the seats. I need to take this out. Almost fell in the bleach water. Yeah, this is the right tool. It's gonna take forever. I'm having a hard time breathing. I used far too much bleach. At least it's sanitary. It's always the last one that wants to give you a hard time, right? Always works like that. Good. Okay, perfect. I got them out. So the challenge that I'm having now is these things right here. I gotta keep these. I have like 6 of them. I got one here, back there, and that's how I keep the animals strapped down in the car. So I need to keep these in here for safety, obviously, because it's not about making this into a mini home. It's about the safety of the animals. I need these in here. So somehow or another, I'm gonna have to figure out how to like cut it out in the flooring. So I do need to take this off because I feel like it's gonna get in the way. Oh, how gross. How freaking gross is that? All right, so I mapped out half of it. Well, a little bit more than half. And so let's cut this bad boy. A little cutout. Here goes nothing. This is a little scary because if I mess this up, that will ultimately it will suck. Talk about a perfect fit. Look, even got my little thingies. I didn't have to cut anything a second time. Now the only mistake is like right here, but I think that like door stopper thing will cover it. And only like 3 broken nails. Okay, like I really honestly think I've become a professional. Like come on now, it's seamless. So proud of myself. Yes, 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 yes. So Willie and I had plans today around 2 o'clock to go downtown to just walk around and go get something to eat. I don't want to go, so I'm just totally ignoring you. He's gonna see this later and be so upset, but I'm so into it. I want to get it done. I'm sweating my butt off, but I'm gonna use this, I think, to adhere this. So it's super high strength, I guess, and that's what I'm going to do. I don't know. God, I think this stuff dries really fast, and wear a mask if you're gonna use it. It's, oh. Oh shoot, this stuff is super sticky. This stuff is really, really sticky. Wow, okay. Yeah, this stuff is super duper sticky, and it sticks really, really fast, so careful. Okay, last one, this shit dries so fast. So I'm gonna use the wood nail to do the subfloor. So that is what I am doing. What the hell? Oh, there's like a, all right. No, just, oh shit. Oh. Perfect. You know, like, do you get my drift? It doesn't have to be like super sturdy. Does it? I don't really know. You know, and the glob right there. Like, seriously, I think that's enough. We should glue this side too. Okay, we ran out. Make it work. Got another little piece that goes right here. So the floor is all done. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna caulk like all the little cracks and stuff. Yeah, good job. I think I'm gonna do my little bed now. I think I found screws that will work. I mean, I don't know if my bed's crooked, but you know. This is a little, surely there's an easier way. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is pretty secure. Might have Willie come out and tighten those up for me a little bit. Right, on to the other side. So my intent is a little higher than what I kind of wanted to do, but I figured I can do some storage, you know, with all my cleaning stuff, put some crates back here, you know. Okay. That is good and tight. Measure out my little planky things. Some crates will fit good up underneath here, like the smaller ones. All right. Line these up. I think this is good, but I'm gonna have to put one like across, I think. Up higher. See what I'm saying? I think I'm gonna do one in the center for more support because it's too bouncy. Okay. I mean, it's the underneath. It doesn't have to be like super de-duper straight. Just, you know, somewhat straight. Perfect. I need better drill bits. All right, so got the bed done. That's super exciting. My mattress will be here tomorrow, so. Oh my God, it's perfect. Got more than enough room. Okay. Did you roll it out on that side? All right, now I just gotta cut it all and measure and glue it down. What do you think?
Good. Instead of you can easily mop in here too.
Yeah.
That's really what you want anyway.
Mm-hmm.
You want to be able to mop.
Yep.
Ah, shit.
This is much easier than the rest because it just cuts so easy. Ow. Looking good so far. It's kind of getting a little dark out, so I turn on the garage light. Willie made me a hot dog. All right, this is gonna be the last part because it's getting way too dark. But I'm gonna lay down that tile. So let's roll this back out. Wish I had like a bowling pin or something. No, oh my. Oh no. It's stuck to my hands. Oh no. I'm right there. I'm right there. Oh, there goes another nail. Okay, they're all gone besides the pinky. All right, so last little corner that I gotta glue down. Yeah, so don't judge me. This is not how I did it. I'm just kind of over it. I hate drama, and that's all that's been going on today. I'm like trying to do this, and like people keep calling me with their nonsense drama, and I'm like, leave me alone. I just hate it. I'm just over it now. Kind of killed my whole vibe. Gosh, one day. This is everything that I've gotten done. I am so freaking proud of myself. This didn't take me no time. I just got some spots like that I got to clean up. So I guess tomorrow I will start on the walls. And then my bed, my foam, memory foam should be here tomorrow. So you guys can get a better idea. You guys like these videos. I'm gonna film the rest. Stay tuned. Probably finish it by the end of the week. So I'm super excited. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you want to see more.